Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 5 best cordless pressure washers to buy this year. Let's begin. DEWALT DCPW 550B Cordless Pressure Washer. The DEWALT DCPW 550B Cordless Pressure Washer offers powerful cleaning performance with the convenience of cordless operation. With a maximum pressure of 550 psi and a flow rate of 1.0 GPM, it tackles a variety of cleaning tasks effortlessly. Designed for portability, it draws water from any fresh water source, allowing for on-the-go cleaning wherever you need it. The Quick Connect adapter enables easy connection to a garden hose for added versatility. Weighing just 9.94 pounds and featuring a compact design, it's easy to maneuver and store. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this cordless pressure washer is a must-have tool for homeowners and professionals alike. HOMDOX 5324 to 2G Cordless Pressure Washer. The HOMDOX 5324 to 2G Cordless Pressure Washer combines convenience and performance to deliver efficient cleaning power. With a maximum pressure of 960 psi and a 40V battery, it offers reliable performance for a variety of cleaning tasks. The 6-in-1 nozzle allows for versatile spray patterns, while the included soap container simplifies cleaning tasks. Portable and lightweight, it's easy to transport and use anywhere. The large capacity battery provides long-lasting power, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Whether you're washing vehicles, bikes, boats, or windows, this cordless pressure washer gets the job done quickly and effectively. AIHAND Cordless Pressure Washer. The AIHAND Cordless Pressure Washer provides both compact convenience and potent cleaning power. With a maximum pressure of 652 psi and a flow rate of 2 gallons per minute, it provides efficient cleaning for a variety of surfaces. The portable design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and use anywhere. Equipped with a high-quality battery and a 6-in-1 nozzle, it delivers reliable performance and versatility for all your cleaning needs. For washing cars, floors, or outdoor furniture, this cordless pressure washer guarantees thorough and effective cleaning every time. IMOUMLIVE GYQXJ Cordless Pressure Washer. The IMOUMLIVE GYQXJ Cordless Pressure Washer delivers professional-grade cleaning prowess alongside the convenience of cordless operation. With a maximum pressure of 970 psi and a brushless motor, it delivers superior performance and efficiency for a variety of cleaning tasks. The 3-speed adjustment and portable design make it easy to customize the water pressure and transport the unit wherever you need it. Equipped with a 6-in-1 nozzle, it provides versatile spray patterns for different surfaces and dirt types. Cleaning cars, fences, or patios, this cordless pressure washer delivers outstanding results with minimal effort. MECOC Cordless Pressure Washer. The MECOC Cordless Pressure Washer seamlessly blends power and versatility, effortlessly handling tough cleaning tasks. With a maximum pressure of 970 psi and a 4.0 Ah battery, it provides reliable performance for a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. The LCD touchscreen and 3-speed adjustment allow for precise control and customization of the water pressure. Equipped with a 6-in-1 nozzle, it offers versatile spray patterns for different cleaning needs. The portable design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and use anywhere, washing cars, floors, or outdoor surfaces. This cordless pressure washer achieves exceptional results with minimal effort. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 5 best cordless pressure washers to buy will help you find your best fit.